Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a very easy method of mutton galauti kebab. This is half kilo minced mutton. I have minced it in the mixer 2-3 times to make it a very smooth paste. Okay, and this is the main tenderizer. I'm using around 100 grams of raw papaya. So I'll grind it and mix it with the mince meat. So our raw papaya paste is ready. Now we will mix it along with the meat. Just bind it properly. Just massage the meat softly for some time, and then once it is properly mixed, leave it for an hour so that the meat becomes softer and tenderized. So now we will leave it for 1 hour. So we will start with the masala for the galauti kebab. I'll tell you the ingredients. So this is cinnamon stick, this is mace, this is star anise, this is bay leaf, this is coriander seeds, this is stone flower or dagad fool, some elaichi, this is this is black cardamom or badi elaichi, some cloves, some shahi jeera, some jeera powder, whole, some fennel seeds, some poppy seeds, some peppercorns. So we will dry roast it and make it into a powder. So it's been an hour and our ground masala is also ready. So we will start the marination process. So this is the ground masala. So I'm taking 2 tablespoons of this ground masala. Then this is some cashew paste, almost 1.5 spoon of cashew paste I'm adding. This is some brown onion paste, again 1.5 spoon of brown onion paste. One spoon of chili, salt to taste, some ghee, this is some rose water, 1 spoon of rose water, 1 spoon of kevda water. So now we will nicely marinate it. So we have marinated the meat, and now we will infuse some charcoal flavor into it. So I have kept a piece of charcoal on the gas. Now I will keep it in between and then add some ghee. To infuse the flavors, I am closing the lid and keeping it for an hour. Okay, so it's been more than an hour. I have kept it closed. So I've removed the lid. Now we will just mix it once again. One more thing which did not get captured in the video was I have added 2-3 spoons of ginger garlic paste. So now we will heat the pan and start the kebabs. Pan is hot now. We'll add some ghee. Take some water, dip your hands, and then start taking the kebab mixture. Don't make it into some shapes, just put it on the pan and tap it. Let the kebabs cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes one side on low flame. So it's been almost 7 minutes now. So we will turn the kebabs. It's been almost 7 minutes. We will start turning the kebabs. You have to be very careful while turning it around because it's very soft. This is how it will look from one side. So we will cook it till it is almost this color and then we will do the plating. So our galauti kebab is ready. You can serve it along with some paratha and mint chutney. I hope you all will like the dish. Please comment below. And one more tip I would like to add, in case if you have issues with the binding, if your meat is too soft, then you can use some 2 spoons of gram flour to thicken the kebab. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.